right, good day, boys and girls. Welcome to our math lesson 9.4. We're going to be talking about circle graphs today. You're going to need your paper 9.4 that you had in your packets, and you'll also need some colored pencils or crayons. So if you want to gather those up, pause the video, gather those up, and come right back, and we'll see you in a minute. Welcome back to lesson 9.4, circle graphs. I want us to first look at the set of 3 circles on the board. How are these circles alike? They're all divided into equal parts, but the number of parts in each circle is different. A circle graph is divided much like these fraction circles, but sections may differ in size. Circle graphs compare information, but when they're combined, all the parts of a circle graph equal the whole circle. So now I would like you to get out TM 9.4a and your crayons or colored pencils, and I'm going to be picking some tiles. And as we pick a tile, we're going to be coloring. I have red, blue, and yellow. So the first one is I have a yellow, so I'm going to color kind of messily, unfortunately, 1. And now I have blue. So I'll get my blue colored pencil and start down here. And I have a blue. And I'm going to pick out another color, red. And I'm going to color that one here. Don't worry so much about getting in the lines. But I also have more. I have another blue one. So I'm going to go back with my blues and I'm going to color each of the different colors. And here's another blue. And I'm going to just color each piece. Now there's 12 parts here. So far I have 3 blues, 1 yellow and 1 red. Now I'm going to grab a red. And I'm going to do another red. And now I'm going to do another blue. So I have 4/12 in blue, 3/12 in red, and 1/12 in yellow. So I'm going to get another red, and I'm going to fill in this one, which now makes that 4/12. And finally, I'm going to do a last couple in yellow. One more, which makes that 3/12 yellow. And I actually have one last one in blue. And so your circle graph can look something like this, where we have 3 parts that are yellow, 1, 2, 3, 4 parts that are red, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 parts that are blue. So I filled in the color. So what does each part of that circle represent? Each of those parts represented one of these little cubes. Okay, so now we need to look at, again, the parts. This is representing 1, 2, 3, 4 out of 12. So I would write my fraction like this. 4 parts out of 12. Yellow, which you're probably not going to see very well. 1, 2, 3. 3 parts out of 12. And finally, our blue is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 parts out of 12. So, as we look at this graph, we can compare and see that the blue part is bigger, the red part is a little bit smaller, and the yellow part is the smallest. So go look at the different sizes and see how this can compare. If I divided it, this is almost half here, and this is actually 1/4. This section would be 1/4 of the whole circle. So keep looking at the circle graph and compare how, even though there's multiple parts, it still all equals one whole.